So far we've looked at calculating the mean and the median, as well as the the value of the median in our data set. And actually in the previous video, we actually had two data sets here. So I've removed the second data set just to kind of keep things simple for this. So now we're going to look at mode. In mode is basically, what is the most popular observation in the data set? So which one is most frequently used? And if we look at this data set, I've modified it slightly, but it's essentially, it's the same as far as the mean and the median are concerned. So there's still 10 elements, and you can see here that we have 3 3s and 2 7s. So the most popular number in this data set is 3 because the frequency of the value 3 is 3, if that makes sense. So the mode is calculated to be 3. That's just the value that's occurring the most. It could have been a 4. We can change it if, we can change this to 4. Maybe make this 4 right here. And you can see all of my numbers are changing here. But now you can see the mode is 4 because there's 3 values that are 4. Now, how did I figure this out? In Excel, well, Excel has this nice little function called mode. So if I say equals, and I start typing mode, you can see mode comes up. And actually there's, this one is fine. You can use this first mode mult, or you can use this is a deprecated or it's no longer used mode, which is down here on the bottom. But we're going to use this guy, and then we're going to give it the range, which is here, and our parentheses, and then we'll hit return. So in this case, we have the mode is 4. We have three observations that are of the value 4, and so that's the most popular of all of these values. So that's how we determine the mode. And that's it. It's that easy.